dope. I hit the jeweler, got some goals. I sold a little weed, but I could never sell my soul. And when I'm in LA, you find me out in Lil Toke. Come a vocal with my ramen, I'ma need another blow. Let's go.
Alrighty mga kaunggoy, so 1:55 AM ng madaling araw na, and nire-record ko tong video ngayon kasi kanina pa ako nagsuscroll sa FB, Twitter or whatever the hell. Kanina pa ako nagsuscroll since 12 AM. Binabasa ko yung mga different posts and whatever about this hashtag academic freeze. Ang dami nagsasabi na, oh, hashtag academic freeze kasi ganto ganyan. Oh, continue the education. Kanya-kanyang diskarte yan. Kanya-kanyang adjust. Depende kung anong available na paraan or whatever. Patuloy ang pag-aaral ng mga bata or whatever. Oh shit, we gotta continue education even though this whole world has gone to shit. Ang daming walang trabaho ngayon. Ang daming hirap ngayon makakuha ng pera para makapag-load or makabayad ng napaka-bilis na bandwidth para sa online class. Pero I do understand na may mga tao na gusto ituloy ang education dahil ayaw nila mabobo yung mga bata or yung mga tao. Kung tatanungin nyo ako mga kaunggoy, ano opinion ko dito sa hashtag online freeze or dapat ba ituloy ang ACADS education kahit it's the end of the fucking world and the apocalypse is coming? Ang opinion ko dyan mga kaunggoy, well, wala akong opinion.
Ako dapat ikwento sa inyo. Inaamin ko na. Wala lang yung dapat i-imbestiga sa akin.
Nasa middle ako pagdating dito kasi parang okay, if you want to continue your study then no one's stopping you. It's your life, do whatever the hell you want and no one can stop you and magagawa naman ng paraan, di ba? Like we can find ways to continue the learning. Yay! Ang mahal ng pagdagdag ng bandwidth sa internet para bumilis yung internet. Yay! Alam ko tatanungin nyo mga kaunggoy, Manong Jerry, ba't ayaw nyo i-upgrade yung wifi nyo? Naka-upgrade po yung wifi namin. And here's the thing. Kahit naka-fiber blah 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 kami or naka-upgrade yung bandwidth namin, yeah, mabilis yung wifi namin. Pero even though our wifi is fast, ang daming mga glitches. Just recently, 3 days kami nawalan ng internet. And I've been thinking, what if naka-online class ako nun? Or what if naka-enroll ako ng online class nun? What if during, alam mo yun, during quiz or exam, biglang naputulan ng internet or whatever and hindi ako makapasok sa online class kasi 3 days kaming walang internet. So, I'm just saying, kahit mabilis yung internet namin, meron pa rin mga possibilities na magkakaroon ng shit or disaster na ganyan. Manong Jireh, mag-data. Ba't ayaw nyo mag-data, Manong Jireh? Etong picture, remember this picture? Unahin muna namin yung pagkain mga kaunggoy. I mean, you can't learn on an empty stomach, you know?
What the fuck is it with you? I was looking at the light. Fuck!
May mga nakikita akong mga post mga kaunggoy na may mga estudyante na they're reaching out to their teachers and telling them na, Sir, hindi ko mabukas yung quiz or sir, yung quiz sir na nag-stop bigla. Naging 0 out of 500 ako. Can I retake the test para makahabol po ako, ma'am? So ang bagal ng internet sa Pinas. We all know that. The Philippines has the slowest internet in Southeast Asia. Or one of the slowest internet in Southeast Asia ata or whatever, hindi ko alam, hindi ako sure, basta yun. With Philippines having a very fucking slow internet connection, with that in mind, you would think that the teachers would be understanding. No! May mga ibang teachers na ganito yung sinasagot. Get better Wi-Fi access. Oh, I love this one. Get better Wi-Fi access. Oh shit, like ganun kadali yun mga kaunggoy para makakuha ng better Wi-Fi access. It only takes a few minutes to get better Wi-Fi access. It doesn't take 5 days katulad sa amin, kami Nawalan kami ng internet ng 3 araw and it took us how many days para maayos yung internet. Like, no, hindi, it's not that long, right? It only takes a few minutes to fix your Wi-Fi access. Do your assignments earlier, okay? I kinda get that. We should do our assignments earlier, I guess. I will not reopen the quiz. What the actual fuck? Hindi naman kasalanan ng estudyante na biglang nawalan sila ng Wi-Fi or nawalan sila ng internet. Tell us where to get better Wi-Fi here in the Philippines. Or, I got a better idea. To give the students money, let the students go to other countries where the internet is fast and have the online class there. Now, I know na nagiging ganito yung mga ibang teacher kasi nasistress na din sila kasi hindi lang naman yung estudyante nasistress, pati rin yung mga teachers. I mean, it's not the teacher's fault that na ganito kahirap yung online class blah 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 or yung modules or whatever. I mean, I think this is the first time na ginagawa to in history. Online class. Sa tingin ko, ito yung pinakaunang beses na ginagawa. And from what I'm seeing, this country does not have the resources to do this kind of shit. Like, hindi pa tayo ready para gawin tong online class. Like, it's adjusting and parang, alam mo yun, parang mga guinea pigs yung mga estudyante na tinetest out kung how will this online class work or whatever. Parang trial and error ata to. And trial and error na din para sa mga teachers kasi first time din ata nila ginagawa to. So, teachers, students, nasa-stress. So, kung sinigawan kayo ng teacher nyo, tulad nito.
Austria. Austria.
Present, sir.
Ay, sumagot.
Present, sir.
Sagot agad ha.
Masagot po ako.
Masagot ka, ang bagang.
Live the American dream vicariously through various media outlets. I sit and stare at the screen, hysterically screaming and shouting.
Medyo maging forgiving na lang tayo, I guess. Kasi everyone is stressed because, you know, talagang stressful yung nangyayari ngayong sa mundo natin, sa universe natin. Talagang super stressful. Like, everything is going to shit. 2020 sucks. Fuck 2020. All I'm asking mga kaunggoy is, alam niyo yun, may mga ibang mga teachers or students na maging considerate sa mga inconvenience tulad ng nawawalan ng internet bigla or bumabagal yung wifi tas naglalag yung internet to the point na hindi marinig or makita yung mga powerpoints or hindi marinig yung sinasabi ng teacher kasi naglalag yung connection. Sana maging understanding na lang lahat, no? Let's try that. Pero I doubt everyone's gonna be understanding.
What the fuck is it with you? I was looking at the light.
Fuck! What the
Ito pa, hindi lahat ng students kaya mag-afford ng bandwidth. I mean, magkano ba yung binayad namin dito para pabilisin lang yung bandwidth nitong pukin ng inang internet namin? 3,000 ata. Basta mahal. Hindi lahat ng estudyante ay kaya i-afford, no? Na magpabilis ng wifi or magpabilis ng bandwidth. Kahit yung pagpa-load nga eh. Like, sasabihin nyo, oh, wala kayong wifi. Eh, di magpa-load para makapag-online class. Are you seeing this shit? Tsaka, eto, wag naman sana sigawan yung mga estudyante dahil mabagal or hindi makasabay yung mga estudyante dahil sa sobrang kabagalang ng net. Wag sana sigawan ng teacher tulad nito. Who's to blame mga kaunggoy? Sino ang dapat sisihin dito? Yung internet? Or internet providers? Yung students? Or yung teachers? If you're asking me, I don't know who to blame. I don't know who to blame kasi hindi natin hawak yung sitwasyon na oh, the world has gone to shit. Like, everyone is... Basta yun, alam nyo na yung nangyayari sa buong mundo mga kaunggoy. Marami na ring hirap ngayon sa buhay dahil maraming nawalan ng trabaho at maraming mga... Ito, ewan ko kung kami lang nakaranas nito. Like, may work from home pero parang binawasan yung sweldo or some shit like that. Ewan ko kung naranasan nyo yun. Like, work from home yung papa ko ngayon and medyo nabawasan yung sweldo and it's very sad. Kaya siguro sabi ng mama ko na, wag stop muna for 1 year. Chill muna kayo dito. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang pero gusto ko lang i-share dahil thankful ako. Like, I have the coolest mom ever. Like, I really do have the coolest mom ever. Kasi may mga ibang nanay na, anong tigil-tigil for 1 year? Hindi, mag-aral ka, mag-online class. Hindi, magpa-load ka. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung pag-aaral mo. Basta ganyan. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung pag-aaral mo. Kung hindi ka magiging successful sa buhay. May mga ganun na nanay mga kaunggoy. Pero itong mama ko, sabi ng mama ko, chill muna kayo dyan. Wag muna tayo mag-enroll. Ganyan-ganyan. Unahin muna natin yung pagkain namin. Now that's fucking cool. Now that's very cool. Kung tatanungin niyo ako mga kaunggoy, kamusta yung buhay ng walang education for 1 year? I'm having the time of my life. Like, I'm in the best shape of my life. Like, kung ikukumpara ko yung health ko noon, nung mga school days, yung health ko nung school days sa health ko ngayon, I'm in the best shape of my life. Like, my arms grew bigger, like, my upper body strength, muscle endurance, like, I'm in the best shape of my life, mga kaunggoy, and
Fuck is it with you?
I was looking at the light.
It's fucking distracting.
And sa mga teachers na tulad nito, na get a better Wi-Fi access daw, alam kong stressed kayo, mga dear teachers, alam kong stressed kayo sa bagong sistema. Don't worry, stressed din po ang magulang ng mga estudyante at yung mga estudyante minsan. May mga ibang estudyante na rin na medyo nagkakaroon na din ng mental breakdown and I feel sorry for them kasi alam ko yung pakiramdam ng magkaroon ng mental breakdown kaya naawa ako sa mga nagkakaroon ng mental breakdown. Like, don't worry, like, good days are about to come, I think. I don't know. It's hard to be positive these days cause shit happens. Kung tatanungin niyo ako mga kaunggoy, Manong Jireh, should we academic freeze or should we continue the education? Ang opinion ko lang dyan is kung kaya nyo, then go for it. Pero kung hindi nyo kaya and hirap na kayo sa financial shit or hirap na rin kayo sa mga internet shit, then wag nyong pilitin, please lang. Wag nyong pilitin, like it's gonna destroy you. Like, wag nyong pilitin. Don't feel bad na may iwan kayo ng mga kaklase ninyo. Isipin nyo muna yung makakain nyo. Kung kaya nyo, go lang. Go lang sa academic blah blah blah. Like, continue your online class kung kaya nyo. No? Kung kaya nyo. Pero kung hindi nyo kaya, wag nyong ipilit. Like, yun yung tinuro sa akin ng mama ko eh. Kung hindi kaya, wag ipilit. I'm gonna end this video by showing you this picture. Like, this picture just, hindi ko alam kung nakaka-touch or ewan, pero this simple picture says 1,000 words. Ang lupit nitong picture na ito, like, shit, it's deep. Can we freeze this until we achieve this? And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Keep in mind yung sinabi ko. Huwag ipilit kung hindi nyo kaya. Pero kung kaya nyo naman, go lang. Shoutout sa comment of the day. Kung gusto nyo ma-feature sa comment of the day, comment lang ng comment. Kung lalaki kayo, you have big PP and you are not a simp. Kung babae naman kayo, you are super maganda dahil nag-comment kayo.